Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and you are doing your studies very well. Also, I hope that you have learnt your previous lessons. In this lecture, this is a kind of review of all the previous lessons. So, let's start. In our first lecture, there was a story of a race. The name of that story was The Great Race. It was quite interesting story for me as well because the race was conducted between two types of vehicles. One was bicycle and the second one was motorcycle. These two types of vehicles are totally different from each other, but they had race. What we learned in this lesson that bicycle won that race because motorcycle was stopped by the policeman due to smoke. Motorcycle was releasing a lot of smoke that makes the environment dirty. So Mr. Policeman angrily stopped the motorcycle. So bicycle won that race and beat the motorcycle. Here one mean जीतना and bicycle जो है उसने ये रेस मोटरसाइकिल से जीत ली थी. Reasons was quite simple. So what we learned in this lesson that doesn't matter how the thing useful for the society, but if they have any bad impact, we must stop them and do some corrections if there is if there anything wrong in it and just try to solve it. Our second lesson was again about a story. The name of that story was Androcles and the Lion. It was also a very interesting story because Androcles was a man and Lion, you know that he is an animal. But Androcles helped Lion in the time of the need. Again, this is quite interesting story for me as well because Androcles helped the lion and in return lion also helped the Androcles in the time of their need, in the time of his need. Actually, Androcles was a slave. His master was very bad, so he ran away from that bad master and went to a desert where he met with an injured lion, so he decided to help that lion. After some days, Androcles was also caught by this man, so he decided to punish Androcles. He threw Androcles in front of an hungry lion, but the result was again quite surprising for me. Instead of eating Androcles, the lion started licking the face of Androcles. All the people were quite surprised, so they shouted, "Set Androcles free, he is a good man." What happened actually in that story? Because Androcles helped the lion, so in the time of the need, Androcles was also got the help by the same lion. These two lions, the lion was the same whom he met in the desert. So our third lecture was about a grammatical concept, noun, and another grammatical concept, verb. You all are quite familiar with these two concepts because you already read something about them in one class as well. You already learned about them in class 1. So, noun is the name of a person, place, thing or animal. Anything in this world which has his existence means हर चीज जो इस दुनिया में मौजूद है has its name. उसका नाम जरूर है. Because name in fact is the first introduction of anything. We know things from their name. So all the things which are present in the world, which we can see, which we are seeing, and which we can't see, but they are present, all the things are considered noun. The second concept was about verb. What is verb? What are you doing? You are watching my video and you are doing some another actions as well. You are doing all the time. We are doing the actions. The actions we perform from with our intentions, यानी कि जो काम हम सोच कर करते हैं, the actions which we are performing without our intention, या कुछ काम जो हम अपने intention से नहीं करें, like breathing, like heart beating, these actions are also considered as verb. So all the actions which we are performing, these are verb. When we are sleeping, in fact, you think that we are doing nothing, but at the time of our sleeping, we also performing some actions. We are moving our bodies. We also taking breath. Our heartbeat is also there. So, during sleep, we also doing some special actions. So, noun is the name of a person, place, thing or animal. And verb, all the actions which we are doing, which we can do, which we will do. Here, one important thing is left in my previous lesson, that actions does not mean that only living things can do. All the things, whether they are living things, whether they are non-living things, if they are doing something, if they are moving, if they perform some actions, if they do some work, actually all these actions are considered as well as verb. Like when the fan is running, when we switch on the light, the fan is running, the action of the fan is running. When the car is moving, the action of the car is moving. So, action does not mean only living things can do. Verb does not mean only living things can do, but here verb mean all the things in the world can perform actions and they are performing actions. It is quite simple concept. So, learn these concepts, learn the lessons and ready for the next work which will be quite new for you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.